So I think Pierre is going to enjoy the memory more than the experience. Oh man, when he gets to the next hostel, he gets to brag about the stupid, insane hike he did. And he gets to talk about his friend who got eaten by a puma. So anyway, speaking about pumas, we have to be very alert with our eyes and ears. Oh my God, there's so many spider webs. And this one has a fucking spider on it. Whew.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I gotta get a stick. Okay, I'm sorry, spider. All right, if you find a good stick, you let me know. Motherfucker, okay. Oh no, I'm going crazy. There's more giant muds. As long as we don't run into quicksand, man, then we're fine. Goodness gracious. Another one. Okay. Oh man. Little creek. Oh my God. Oh boy. Yeah, this is a crazy hike, everybody. And we have officially committed. We're not turning back now. Unless we like lose the trail or something, but I don't think we will. I just need a better spider stick. This spider stick is not good enough. Look, I upgraded my stick. It's got leaves for web catching. And this thing has spikes on it. Let's throw it away. Oh, okay, there you go. I'm so strong. Look, spider web. Get out of here. Oh, it's slippery, motherfucker. Oh my God, you guys are gonna have to excuse the language in this episode. Jesus. Oh. It's a very patience-trying episode. Everything is possible. Oh, here we go. Ow. Fuck, that stick stabbed me right in the shoulder. All right. Luckily, everything is so wet here, it breaks easily. Wow, insane. Oh, geez, okay. Okay. Ow, mother frick. Everything keeps stabbing me. Oh my goodness. Okay, just keep walking. I said I hope that was the big up. And now we're, oh, geez, tripping over things. Okay, okay, okay. Everything's grabbing my ankles, stabbing my butt, stabbing my shoulder. Whew. Oh, geez. Is this a trail? I hope so. Oh my goodness. What is happening? Okay. Where's that trail? I think it goes through there, but I don't know. Oh God. Check the map. All right, let's go. All right, that way. Sally Falls. Okay, just into the deep water. It's okay. Just don't twist your ankle and everything else is fine. That was advice from Pierre. Oh, it's good advice. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anyone else want to do this hike? Oh my God, this is insane. All right, I'm gonna put this on my next retreat. This is gonna be a selling point. What do you think, Pierre? I am definitely gonna get Sue with that one. Yeah. Yes, we have like an actual river. Wow, is this even, where's the trail from here? I don't know. It's across the river, I guess. That's gorgeous. Whew. Guys, we got like a rock trail. People, oh my God, took the time to kind of pave the way here. But this isn't good for horses. This is terrible for horses. We're just trying to figure out why this is here. Oh, what was the benefit of making this trail between these two towns? And how old is it? And like, if you were to make a trail between the two towns, it would make sense to make it like a horse trail so you can like transport goods. Not, so maybe this is an old, ooh, it could just be a guerrilla trail from the Civil War. What do you think of that, Pierre? Just a guerrilla trail. That's like the crazy thing about Colombia, man. They're just getting out of a civil war that like ended in 2010, or there's even been like some death attributed to it since like 2014. So it's a country, people, you know, the average people just now getting back on their feet. So it's really nice to see it in the small towns, and to see these people coming back, and tourism picking up, and people starting to travel. It's really cool. Every part of this trek is fascinating. Looks like we're getting close to the top here. We actually have power lines above us.
Oh, that's very good news.
Yeah.
Because my backpack keeps getting cold and stuff.
Oh shit! It really does. Yeah.
So the top would be nice.
Yeah. Wow. Super thick, guys. Super thick. Oh my goodness. Watch this. This thing is so cool. It's like this fallen tree, right? And then it's like, I don't know, this thing's growing on it. It's really neat. Oh man. We're tired of the jungle, guys. We are super tired of the jungle. Oh, fuck that. And there's all these pointy things I keep knocking my head on. Stop it. Oh man. All right, we're halfway through the jungle. Oh, goodness gracious. And then after the jungle, we still have like 5 miles left. All right, under this tree. Nice. Oh my God, guys, this is just the craziest, stupidest thing I've ever done. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I'm just walking through this. This is the trail, everybody. This is the trail. Everyone have fun. Have fun walking in the trail. Oh my God, and it's slippery and it's dangerous, and we've fallen a bunch, and luckily we haven't gotten hurt. But frick, man, I mean, it's really beautiful, it's crazy, it's cool, and when we get out, we're gonna look back and be super, super happy about it. But for now, I'm ready to be out of this jungle. This is a cool little caverny thing. Whoa, okay. This is like such a treacherous hike. Oh my God. But it's pretty cool. Oh, I'll really enjoy editing the video. Oh man. Oh, okay. Whew. And Pierre found me an awesome new stick. Yes. Oh man. We're basically following a creek down to a river, and we don't know if this is correct. This is like, it feels like, oh, this isn't correct. Oh, fuck that. But it looks nice. Ah, I think we made a wrong turn. Wow, we even have a little waterfall. Oh, nope, there's a trail. There's a fucking trail. This is crazy. Look at that. Oh no, there's a stick. The whole time there was a stick in the thing. It's so difficult. Is that clear? All right, now you get to see it. All right. All right. There it is. There's the trail over there. Oh, pretty strong river. This is crazy. This is crazy. Freaking fresh jungle, jungle river. Oh, Jesus. Ah. Oh, this looks like a trail. Oh my God. Frickety frack. Don't talk back. Frickety frack, frickety frack. Oh my God. Whew. Doing good, Pierre. Frick. Nice. Oh my God. All right. I mean, I guess this looks like this is typical trail for today. This is typical trail. This is what we got. Don't worry, guys. It's totally safe. Don't worry about that thing that caved in the middle there. If you can see that, it's caved in. Don't worry about it. All right, let's do it. Don't worry, it's only slippery, you know. Oh my God. All right, I got this. Don't worry, guys. Of course. All right, just gotta switch my hands. More balance, stability. Okay, that's the secret right there. And then don't get caught on this thing, pushing my leg back, stuck on my pants. Stop it, you piece of shit. Okay. God damn it. Okay. We did it.
You did it.
Oh, I did it. All right, you can do it. You want me to hold your stick? Okay, you got it. Careful, stupid thing. Stupid thing. Jesus Christ. All right. I would have helped you after I filmed it. Don't worry. We're almost out of the jungle, guys. Fuck. I mean, it could be another hour. Oh my God. How long have we been in the jungle for? Almost 3 hours? 3 hours? Oh, the rain's coming. Is that rain? Oh, it's starting to rain. All right.
We're going to the jungle.
Yeah! We're out! We're out! Oh my God! This is the hole we climbed out of. Jesus. Like literally a hole. Alright, and now it's raining. It's soaked. And it's gonna be hard to use my phone in the rain. But we got this. We only got another 6 more miles. It's only 6 more miles. And what did we do? We did what did we do? I guess we've done, oh my God, what, 8 miles? We've done 8 miles in 6 hours, people. God, that was ridiculous. All right, guys, it's getting a little scary because now it's raining and so I can't use my phone. We're kind of using it a little bit, but man, we don't really know where we are or where we're going. So that's scary. I don't know, we're just kind of guessing. There's no trail. So, oh, we got out of the woods, but we're not out of the woods. What are we doing? Oh, is that something down there, Pierre? Looks like a trail in the distance.
Yeah, it does.
That's in the right direction. That looks really good, actually. All right, I'm feeling confident, guys. Can you see there's like a little trail right there out in the distance? Oh my goodness. This is crazy, everybody. I'm soaking wet and it's cold. And we still have 3 more hours of hiking at a minimum. We're both done. Oh boy. Guess what, guys? We're not making it to town today. We got caught in the rain. It took way longer. It's crazy. It's only 12 miles. And we can't make it in 10 but it's gonna take about 12 hours to do the whole thing. So we're gonna decide that it's probably not worth it to be walking in the rain. It looks like it's gonna be for a long time.
Dark.
And then it's gonna get dark in another 2 hours or hour and a half. So we decided, we found this place, no one's in it, and we're just gonna, we have like a blanket, we've got down jackets, we got I think this bed frame might, like bed frame, I'm already calling it a bed frame. This board might be good to put down, sleep on it. So we got a jacket, we got like sleeping bag liners, we got down jackets and dry clothes, and you can tell I'm like shivering. So our concern is hypothermia, but whew, we'll see where it goes. All right, I'll let you guys know in the morning how we're feeling. Oh boy, the camera's all shaky.